ocean to nourish our cells. As a chemical reactant, it is essential in the digestion of our food. Even proteins, the fundamental building blocks of our cells, have a special relationship with water. To function correctly, protein must be folded into a specific three-dimensional shape. And this crucial folding process is guided by subtle interactions between the protein and water. Yes, in every way, the properties of water are precisely balanced to support life. Without water, our cells would be as dry and lifeless as a harbor in the middle of a desert. Instead, water energizes our cells, keeping us active, healthy, and alive. What an extraordinary creation water is, and what a unique role it has been given in sustaining all living things on our beautiful planet Earth. On every level, from the tiniest molecules to the vast oceans spanning the globe, water is masterfully interwoven with the fabric of life. It is a powerful and daily testimony to our wise Creator, Jehovah God, the one who made the heaven and the earth and sea and fountains of waters.